Namaskar. This Saturday is special for youngsters. Yes, today I am going to launch my stole collection of hand painted ones. And this you may wear as in a one shoulder dupatta over your Indo-Western or just simply over the Western collection. And this all gonna be downloaded on website just after 2 days, that's on Monday at www.myartindia.com with all the important information like what is the content and how to take care of the product and all the delivery informations, those all. So now any further delay, I'm starting because I was so happy and excited when I was making, and I was thinking about my own self how I may use for these products on with my Western wear. So let's begin. So the first one I'm having, this is in a nice and a bright color of red color, and in this I have made this nice swan pattern with flowery thing. So if you see this, even over the Western wear, if you wear as in a one shoulder stole, that's gonna look very nice, or either over your some nice Indo-Western wear, if you wear it as in a stole, that way you can carry this way. So there are so many different styles of carrying the stole. In this I am try to explain which are the varieties you can carry this. The next one I have is a touch of lemon yellow with bright orange, and this one is like this. See how pretty it is all over. So even over your skirt or as in a dupatta, if you wear, yes, it's gonna look pretty, very pretty. And if you just do the simple fold, like, because it's not so wider, so even if you fold like this and wear like this, classy. See, comfortably you can carry, easy to manage and very presentable. My next creativity is over the steel brownish goldenish color with the maroon touch, and in this I have made this nice sparrow patterns. So even the motif I have choose a little trendy, which youngsters may carry smartly and nicely. This way. So you know, the even like after a while, if you wear just simple over a t-shirt or jeans and that stole, definitely it's gonna look very smart and different, like out of the box. The next one I have a gray with the maroon butterfly. I personally loved it when I was making it. It will be like this, something like this. So if you look at the work, it's very pretty, a butterfly with a webby thing and all over. So yes, as in a dupatta or as in a stole, whichever way you can carry this. And this week, last but not the least, this combination of mint with royal blue flowers. Again, it's all over the jeans, over the bottle green kurta. See, something like this. this way. So this all are the collections of this Saturday, special collection for teenagers, youngsters, even all age can carry as a single side orni, or even you can take it flat, because sometimes wider dupattas are not comfortable with everyone. Hope you like this collection. Do visit my website www.myartindia.com. Pick for yourself or someone special, because August is just about to come. Like just after 2 days, August is there. So you have a range of varieties and options, either for pick for yourself or to give for someone, because Raksha Bandhan, Teej, Janmashtami, the festive season are starting. Hope you like it. Do stay connected with me on Instagram, Facebook page, and as well as thank you so much for liking and subscribing my YouTube channel. That's really matters a lot for me. With all the regards and love to you, we will meet next Saturday with new ranges, new collections, very smart designs for you. Till then, do take care, enjoy your life. Thank you so much.